Hello?
Yep.
Hello? 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 Nope. Come on. Come on. Okay, it is a little windy out there, but I need to welcome you to my newest listing. I am here in this beautiful home, 8406 Wildrock Court. We are in the Arlington city limit, but we are in Mansfield ISD. So this is a very desirable area. Lots to love about this neighborhood. I love this development in general. But here at 8406 Wildrock Court, we have a 3-bed, 2-bath with a study. So technically the study could be used as a 4th bedroom. And we're just over 2,600 square feet, built in 2006. Guys, this is a gorgeous home. So let's take a look at all the fun stuff inside. Of course, you're walking into fantastic curb appeal in a really lovely neighborhood with mature trees, pretty landscaping. Really love this side driveway as well. As we walk in, notice the gorgeous hardwood floors. Love the separate dining area with new-ish light fixtures that give the house an updated feel for sure. Y'all, this kitchen is a chef's dream. I know you see that in listing descriptions all the time, but look at all of this counter and cabinet space. I mean, there is storage for days and so much prep space. Such a fantastic kitchen for entertaining. The space in here is fantastic, and that little island is really super functional, as well as fairly new stainless steel appliances. So really can't do better than this kitchen that we've got here. There's also an eat-in space in this kitchen. So in addition to the dining room, you've got a separate place for eating, and it overlooks into the living room. Love the open floor plan. Again, those gorgeous hardwood floors, the trade ceiling, really some custom touches in here, and you've got plenty of space, as well as a really beautiful mantle and just a lovely, lovely room. I love the arched doorways in this build. Really kind of shows you again some of the custom features that you get with a home like this. Notice, by the way, this carpet doesn't just look fresh, it is fresh. It is brand new. It has not yet been lived on. In a giant master and a really lovely master bath. Love all the natural light that comes into this space. Of course, you've got dual vanities, separate tub and shower, a large space to relax and kind of escape from the rest of the house. Love the tub and the shower. So much space really to spread out. And I do love a good little vanity spot. You may not have noticed, but there was a door to the laundry room from the master, which is kind of a convenient little pocket. So these 2 spare bedrooms are great size, by the way. Plenty of room to spread out for guests or kids or whoever it may be. This bathroom with 2 vanities and tub and shower is really a good space for, again, whoever's using those spare rooms. And then you've got your separate office. I really love this room on the front of the house and how it allows in the natural light. And then, of course, we have to go take a look in the backyard with a lovely patio, some space to kind of be in the shade. Perfect size yard, really enough room to play and spread out, but really not too much for upkeep. So kind of an ideal backyard.